Hi boys and girls, welcome to our math workshop for today. Today all you're going to need is this worksheet, Shopping for School Supplies Again. It does have 2 pages, so if you're printing it out, make sure you have both pages, or a piece of paper to write your work on. All right, so this worksheet builds on what we did yesterday. As you can see, it is called Shopping for School Supplies Again. So the directions here say, solve these problems about the school supplies. So we have our cost of school supplies again. They are the same as yesterday, same cost as yesterday. So this first one here says, if Miss Ruiz bought one of everything on her list, how much would it cost? Show how you figured it out. So for this first one, you're going to be adding up everything on the list. For this example, you need to show the equation, which I've written down here, and show your strategy for how you solved. That could be sticks and dots, that could be drawing 10 frames, it could be chunking, it could be combining 10s with 10s, any strategy that you want, but you need to show your work. I don't just want to see an answer, I want to see the work that got you to your answer. And remember, this is a word problem, so your answer will be labeled with that $sign to show however many dollars. Any strategy you want, along with the equation. The second part says, choose any 4 school supplies and find out how much they cost altogether. So this time it's your choice. You're looking at all of these school supplies and you can choose any 4. I want you to choose 4 different supplies. So not the same thing 4 times, or not repeating any times, 4 different things added together. So any 4, and again, you're gonna write the equation, and then you're gonna tell me how you solved it with a strategy, and then your answer that is labeled with a $sign, don't forget, okay? Then right here it says, show your calculation on a number line. So whatever strategy you use is fine, but in addition to that strategy, you're gonna use a number line to show your work. So I'm gonna show you an example. When you do your work, I want you to do a different example than what I'm showing right here, okay? So I'm gonna say, let's say she bought $4 in pencils, an $11 ruler, a $5 box of crayons, and $12 in glue. Okay, so I'm gonna decide how I wanna solve this problem, and I'm gonna use sticks and dots, okay? So here's my strategy.
I have 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do all my ones first. 1, I have 5 ones, and then I have 2 more ones. All right, how many 10s am I starting off with here? I have no 10s, 1 10, 1 10.
Okay, now I'm gonna count up my ones and see if I can regroup to make another 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so I can regroup and make another 10. So what's my total? I spent 10, 20, 30, 31, $32. All right, so now I'm gonna show this on the number line. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to start with the number I started with. So right here, I'm gonna put a 4. Okay. After I did the 4, I added 11 up here, but I wanna go in order from least to greatest. So if you wanna go in a different order than how you wrote them, that's okay. So this is where I started. This is my first number right here. I'm gonna do the 5 next. So 4 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count that up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So at this point, I'm at 9. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go to my next biggest number. So after 9, I would add 11. Ooh, okay, so I have a 10 in this one. So I'm gonna go 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10. Well, I see I have 1 10 and 9 1, so I'm gonna add 9 plus 10 to get to 19. Okay, and then I have one more, which gives me 20. This is a little bit crowded, but this point right here is 20. Okay, so now I'm at 20. Now I need to do my last number. My last number is 12. So I'm gonna add another 10. Right, because there's a 10 and 12. What's 20 plus 10? 20 plus 10 is 30. Okay, my last step, I need to add these ones. So I have 2 more ones. 1, 2. What's 30 plus 2? 30 plus 2 is 32. So do you see how this number matches up with this number? That's what you want to do. So you're showing all of your steps, 4 plus 5 plus 11 plus 12 to equal 32. Okay, the last one here says draw a picture of the cost of each of the items using paper money. Use any combination of these bills. So you're looking back up at these 4 supplies that you chose and you're gonna draw the bills for them. So what I need you to do so that we know which school supplies you're drawing them dollar amounts for is you need to write the school supply. So if I had a pencil and I needed to draw the cost of pencils, it's $4. So I would draw $1, $2, $3, $4, right? Because the pencils cost $4. If I was drawing the cost of the ruler, I would write ruler, and then I would draw it. You can draw them just like this. A rectangle with the number on it is fine. Does not have to look like these pictures, obviously. Okay, so the ruler is $11. So there's more than one way I could draw this, right? Maybe I want to draw $5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Maybe I want to draw it like that. Or I could draw 10 plus 1 is 11. So some of them have more than one way that you can draw them. You're going to repeat this for the same 4 numbers that you picked up here. Make sure that you label with what the school supply is, and then you draw the bills. You only have to draw them one way, even if there's more than one way to draw them. And that's the whole assignment for today. So make sure that you complete 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. If you have any questions, you can bring this into office hours this week and we can review it together. All right, boys and girls, good luck. Bye.